Removal. Step 1. Prepping for removal. Begin by ensuring the ignition is switched off. Set the steering to straight ahead. Disconnect the battery. Use a lifting platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Raise the vehicle. Removal. Step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal. Step 3. Removing the airline. Unplug the electrical connector from the air spring solenoid. Remove the airline from the air spring solenoid. Push the collar in to release and pull the airline out. Removal. Step 4. Removing the front shock assembly. Loosen and remove the top 3 mounting nuts. Loosen and remove the ball joint nut to separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly. Loosen and remove the bottom mounting nut and bolt. Remove the air strut from the vehicle. Removal. Step 5. Removing the top mount. Note the alignment of the air spring and shock before disassembling. Please refer to the diagram in the owner's manual for more details. Remove the retaining clip. Rotate the air shock solenoid counterclockwise to the first stop, then carefully pull out of the air spring. Remove the top shock retaining nut. Pull the retainer pins holding the upper mount to the air spring top and pry the mount off. Remove the bump stop to reuse. Install. Step 1. Installing the new air spring. If O-rings are not installed on the strut, apply new O-rings that are provided in the kit. Remove old O-rings from the top mount. Clean the top mount and apply O-rings with lubricant. Install the mount onto the air spring. Replace the retaining clips. Remove the provided washer, rubber spacer, and nut. Install the bumper, replace washer and rubber spacer, lubricate shock O-rings. Install the new air spring onto the shock absorber and replace the top nut. Please note, the body weight of the car will engage the secure clips when installing the air shock into the car. Install. Step 2. Installing the solenoid to the air assembly. Remove the red solenoid cap. Install the solenoid clockwise into the shock assembly. Ensure the electrical connector is facing away from the shock. Replace the retaining clip. Install. Step 3. Installing the air shock assembly. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Install the air strut. Replace and tighten the top 3 mounting nuts and the bottom mounting nut and bolt. It may be necessary to use a jack to replace and tighten the ball joint to the spindle assembly. Replace the air line to the air spring solenoid. Reconnect the electrical connector to the air spring solenoid. Install. Step 4. Install wheel. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install. Step 5. Finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Install. Step 6. Testing. Start the engine, wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially, lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the shock for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this install, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.